Said, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive.
Watch boy, 10, lead Cleveland police on car chase. Dashcam footage from the Ohio State Highway Patrol shows the moment the boy drove into a ditch. "We are not going to let him get back on the highway," an officer in the video is heard saying, as about 5 cars give chase. "Can you advise on intentional contact to stop him?" One officer is heard asking before one vehicle rams the back of the boy's car, which comes to a stop after hitting a road sign. "Break the window! Break the window!" one officer yells repeatedly. But the child rolls the window down before the officer damages the car. Cleveland. Com reports that the boy kicked at the troopers and spat at them off camera as he was arrested. Police almost break the window before a 10-year-old boy winds it down. Picture, Ohio State Highway Patrol source supplied. The boy told the officers he took his mother's car because he was bored. It started around 8:30 am when the boy was waiting for his sister to take him to school. But while he was waiting, he decided to take the car. His mother's boyfriend called police and his mother jumped in her car and followed him. She said it was the second time her son had taken a family car and that 2 weeks ago he attempted to go on another joyride, but didn't get far because the car had 3 flat tires.